Hi everyone, this is Peter. Today I want to introduce is the Fomex FL600. So this is actually come from Korea. So, you were asking about like, okay, you are talking about a lot of LED panels. So what is this like maybe Fomex is different than the others? First, okay, this is very thin and also lightweight. So how lightweight it is, you can see it's very lightweight, and also I can probably using one finger and then to hold everything like this. It's actually very, very lightweight. And also this is good for maybe a lot of like overseas trip, or maybe you go to some remote area, because nowadays like maybe especially in Hong Kong, a lot of like maybe programs overseas, and then now they have changed into maybe using like some small cameras like the A7S or even smaller stuff, and then maybe you will actually just like maybe you don't want to have a very heavy big chunk LED panels and then to bring it overseas, because actually size and also weight is also very crucial. So now, okay, this is actually small enough, light enough to just like bring overseas. And then the other thing is, okay, you're talking about, all right, maybe the panel is light, but how about maybe, how about the controller? Okay, the controller is also very lightweight because this is made by heavy-duty plastic. And the other thing is, it's also, other than they have a big panel, other than that, they also can do a lot of things. For example, like they can do dimming and also the color temperature. You will see actually is very bright. In the second part, in the third part of the of this video, we will actually using a Sekonic C700 and then to showing you the color temperature and also the lux and also the CRI of this unit. Is actually very high qualities too. So other than that, okay, it's and other thing is, you will always like maybe panic about, okay, maybe I got lighter panels. But then, okay, it's very hard because they have different shapes and it's very hard to find maybe a case and also its accessories. The nice thing about Fomex is actually when you buy the unit, everything's almost, other than the light stands, the V-mount, and also the mother clamp to hold the controller. Other than that, everything is actually included, including the carrying case. So in the second part, we will showing you how to set it up and also how many items is actually included in the Fomex FF600 when you got the unit. Okay, so when you got the Fomex, and then that is what you get. And they come with two different kits. So the B kit and the C kit. The difference is only on the mounting. So most of the case, and then we are selling B kit in Hong Kong. So okay, let's open it and then see how what you got. Okay, so when you open it, and then you will see actually a very beautiful, nice like nylon cases. And then you open it up. Okay, so and then you will got a lot of accessories. So first on this side, and then you will get a diffuser, okay, and also it's actually got the panels. Okay, on the other side here, and then you will got the strap for the backs, and then a long extension. I remember it's talking about like it's a 5 meters. Okay, so and then you also got the IC cables, and then maybe in different countries they come with different like connections, and also the AC power supply. Then okay, in this two dust bag, that is the most important parts, which is okay, the controller of the lights. Okay, let me just like mount it over here. Okay, and then that is the holder for the panels. And at the end, you will also come with a plate, a square plate, which is used to lock onto the mother clamp. And then once you put it on like this, like that, and then okay, you can actually just like using that to holder and then to lock and to hold onto the light stands as an extra weight to balance the weight. Okay, so now let us maybe talking about how to set it up. So first, okay, let's set up the panel. So you will see at the panel there is actually 4 points over there, and then okay, at the same time you can actually just like make this as an X shape, like an X-Man. Okay, Then, okay, what you need to do is just lock the holder onto the panel. So because that is a bendable like maybe material, so you can actually just like bend a little bit. So once you lock on the 4 points, and then okay, your light is already been positioned. Okay. So then at the back, okay, you just like lock that, and then on the other side, like here, that is the release button, and then to show you, for example, like okay, maybe okay, to release like maybe tilt up or tilt down, and then you can lock it. At the same time, you can actually just like maybe tilt to adjust your tensions too. Okay, so on the other side, okay, let's talk about like the controller. So on the controller, you will got a connector. So on the connector, there is an arrow there, and then also on the panels connector, you also see there is a panel there. So plug it in, press in, okay, it's locked. That's it. Pretty easy. So if you want to use the AC power supply, what you need to do is first you release the waterproof housing like this, and then okay, at the bottom part of the controller, there is also a cover for the AC. So what you need to do is there is a white dot, and also on the AC is also have a white dot. So plug it in, okay, and then screw it. So then, okay, it's already locked. And then once you plug the AC power supply with the IC cable, and then you will got the AC power. And what I need to do now, okay, I just need to have like a V-mount batteries, plug it in, and then okay, I haven't switched off, and then it's already on already. So I can actually just now, okay, using this, and then to change the color balance, the color temperatures, and also the brightness of the panels. It's pretty easy. And for the third part, and then we were using a Sekonic C700 color meter, and then to check the color temperature and also the CRI. At the same time, we were showing you how easy this will be used on different applications. For example, like how to mount it onto a boom pole or something else like that. So other than this FL600, and then you can also get a softbox which is special made for them. So it's very easy to use because it's magnet at the back, and then what you need to do is just like tape it in like this. Okay, so then you will got like much softer, nicer light source. So if you want to know more about like this Fomex FL600, please visit A&S website and the Facebook.